Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG Two is a spectacle of German engineering wrapped in a body that screams opulence and velocity. Its bold, aerodynamic design, punctuated by an aggressive grille, sweeping LED headlights, and sculpted lines, makes it look like it's in motion even when parked. Rolling on ultralight alloy wheels, it exudes an unmistakable aura of dominance. Step inside, and you're met with a cockpit-style dashboard crafted for the modern driver. A panoramic digital display seamlessly merges the speedometer, navigation, and infotainment controls, while the leather-clad seats provide both luxury and sportiness. Ambient lighting and customizable controls elevate the in-car experience to first-class status. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a twin-turbocharged V8 engine roaring with 620 horsepower, propelling this machine from 0 to 100 km height in a mere 3.2 seconds. Paired with its razor-sharp 9-speed automatic transmission, the AMG Two feels like a bullet on the road. Competitors like the Porsche 911 Turbo S and BMW M8 stand tall, but few match its intoxicating mix of luxury and ferocity. Priced at around $180,000, ownership isn't cheap. Maintenance for precision-crafted parts, high-end insurance, and depreciation make it a premium investment. However, the sheer driving experience, precise handling, exhilarating acceleration, and unmatched comfort, is worth every penny. Advantages: unparalleled luxury, blistering speed, cutting-edge tech. Disadvantages: high cost, fuel consumption, limited rear space.